My dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am Muhammad Abdul Halim, assistant head teacher, Shalkuria High School, Nawabganj, Dinajpur. Today we will discuss class 7 subject English second paper. Read out the sentence attentively. Rohim is a good boy. This is noun, verb, adjective and noun. What are they, my dear student? Here some picture. Name, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition and interjection. Halim, noun, he, pronoun, adjective, black, read, verb, adverb. First, the horse can run fast. Dear student, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Our today's lesson part of speech, unit 1, lesson number 1. By the end of the lesson, student will be able to what is part of speech, how many kind of part of speech, identify the part of speech. Dear student, at first, definition part of speech. Meaningful, every word of a sentence is a part of speech. All the words in English can be put into 8 groups. These groups are the part of speech. There are 8 kind of part of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. My dear student, part of speech, 8 kind of part of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. There are 8 kind of part of speech. The name of the part of speech and its definition are given below. Noun. A noun is the name of anything. Rana, pen, cat, etc. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun, he, it, they, etc. Adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies or modifies a noun or a pronoun, good, new, nice, etc. Verb. A verb is a word that does something an action word or a doing work. Read, play, go, etc. Dear student, look adverb. An adverb is a word that qualifies a verb or adjective or another adverb, solely, first, very, etc. Preposition. A preposition is a word that stands before a noun or a pronoun and indicates their relationship with other words in the sentence. Example: one, in, or etc. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word which joins two or more words or sentence. Example: and, but, or etc. 8 number. Interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some certain feeling and emotion of men. Allows, fee, heart, etc. Dear student, we know 8 kind of part of speech. What is part of speech? How many part of speech? Look at this picture. Find out part of speech. Dear student, look at this picture. Interjection. Preposition. Adverb. Conjunction. Verb. Sing. Adjective, preposition, noun. How nice the scenery is. Pronoun, they. The horse can fast run, very fast run. Adverb, conjunction, verb, adjective. She is very nice dancing. Preposition, in. The man is in the car. In, preposition. And noun, name, tiger. Dear student, next, evolution. Fill in the gaps with part of speech. The chair is a dash, the table dash, the dash catches a rat, the pen is dash, my pocket, he is running dash fast, dash beautiful the bird is, here I. Kamal dash Jamal are friends. The tree dash is dash, the boy dash in the field. Dear student, attention, look at the fill in the gap. Answer: beside, cat, in, very, how, and big, tall, place. Homework. Write 8 sentences using all kind of part of speech and underline them. Dear student, advice: Here, Anwar went to his new school with his father 1 week ago. They saw the headmaster, Mr. Nurul Alam. He was a serious but kind man. You are going to enjoy Nurpur High School, said Mr. Alam. It is a very friendly place. Anwar knew they but find part of speech. Advice: time and tide wait for none. Thank you very much.